with? Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I have an idea. I want to move some furniture around. Yes, no surprise. I am always moving furniture around. I'm always rearranging, and today or tonight we're gonna try to do the room. I've thought about it all day at work, and I thought, hey, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna be moving all this around by myself. I have an idea. I want to move this desk here against this wall. This bed is probably gonna go the long way this way where the desk is. So we have all this stuff right here that's just been sitting in this corner, and I like to call this corner the for now corner. I'm just gonna put this box of stuff here for now, and then it sits here for months and it never gets like organized or anything, and it just piles up. So this needs to get cleared out. Hopefully I can get this done. If not, it's just gonna be even worse than it is. I think I'm having a little bit of a breakdown. Alright, so day 2 of getting this room cleaned. And we have a mess still. How long is it gonna take? I don't know. But we got the desk moved over. Yeah, James was actually pretty surprised with how it looks, and he actually agreed with it. We're gonna attempt to go through everything. I already started a donate box. We have stuff all over the place that we don't really need to keep, so we'll go through that today. So one thing about our room is our lighting sucks in this room because we don't have overhead light. We have 2 outlets that are controlled by the light switch by the door, which means we gotta plug in a lamp. I did buy these string lights. We have time today. I'm gonna put the lights around the room. Don't you love my ideas? So I ended up ordering a really long ass string light set that I was able to wrap around the room twice. It's solar powered, or you can charge the panel through an outlet on the wall. It comes with a remote, so you can turn it off and on, or you can have it on the setting that will turn it on as soon as it gets dark. You have a little timer on it, and then just on and off button. Or you can wait until the charge runs out and it'll just automatically turn off on its own. Okay, we're on day 3. So today I wanted to go out and buy new bed sheets. Okay, I also got 2 11 by 17 picture frames. And then I got this fragrance from Ross. I was standing in the fragrance aisle trying to smell every single one for like a good 5 minutes. This was the only one that smelled pretty good. And then I also picked up a Jack Skellington clock from Ross, and also a Hello Kitty light. I think I want to move this over. I think I want to stand that upwards, but I don't know. I want to figure out something with this.
Talking on the phone and watching friends.
fuck did you go? No, 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 no. I don't have anything to fucking hit it with. Oh. What the shit? No. Do we not have freaking bug spray? Where's my damn slipper at? Come on, get back out here. Fucker. Oh, oh. It's dead. Look, I know I live in Hawaii and it's a normal thing for us to see roaches crawling around. I don't want to fucking live with roaches. Moved a picture frame, a photo album earlier, and a roach crawled out from it. And it like crawled behind the shelving, and when I was moving the shelving, I didn't see it. Now I'm starting to put my movies back onto the shelf, and I moved the bin, and I seen this fucker just crawl out of the bin. And I didn't have anything to hit it with, so I just ran outside and grabbed my fucking slipper. A little gap in the wall and the floor, and as I went to go pick up the roach, I ended up pushing it into the little gap. Yes, even after I smash it, it's still trying to run away from me. I managed to grab a wooden stick and just scrape it out. Oh my god, that's gross. And then I just sprayed that fucking area down with bleach, and I wiped it really good. But yeah. And like apparently, from what I heard, if you kill a roach, like if you smash it, like the smell of its guts will attract like other roaches, because apparently they eat each other. Like yeah, no, that's why you gotta clean up after like killing a roach. Like it's just, anyways, that's enough roach talk. Move the dresser back over here. I grabbed the side table from the kitchen. Little TV's on there. The cube shelf is gonna have the little felt drawers with all the movies. And then we're gonna just, I think I'm gonna just slide this shelf over. And that way we can still connect it to the small TV. All right, yes, I'm kind of liking this. Wait, see? And then yes, see, I like this mirror. Like I was just telling James, you know what? Maybe I should offer this to one of our friends, but I really like it, but it just sat in the corner not being used, and I don't have a desk to sit it on. But with this shelf standing up, yes, I like it. This works. Let's go. Let's finish this.
Baby, shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since you started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space. Yeah. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. Baby, this world it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. In the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some gold handcuffs and